friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Danny if you are not familiar to my channel. If you end up loving this video, I would love to have you subscribe. I hope you are all doing well today. I'm so excited today to be sharing some new holiday products from Profusion. I'm always super pumped to see what products launch around the holidays. There's always a really good chance that it's going to be a collector's item, that it's a value set, and that it's giftable. And just a disclaimer that these products were sent to me from Profusion to show you guys their new holiday 2020 collection. The items I'm about to share with you are exclusive to Walmart and they're super cute. Essentially great stocking stuffers and little ornaments. Holiday packaging just gets me every time. Before we move into trying the products and the tutorial, I'm going to show you some swatches and some up-close shots of the products. So there are 6 shadow quads from Profusion. There's the mini mauves, the mini sapphires, mini violets, mini nudes, mini rubies, and mini neons. These are all mini versions of their full-size palettes that they have. I love the color stories. I think a quad is perfect for someone who's starting out in makeup or someone who's wanting to try a new color story. I really enjoy the eyeshadow formula that Profusion has. They're super easy to blend, they're buildable pigment, and really good quality for the price. I'm also no stranger to their lip products. They have a trio of their 3 matte lip creams as well as a trio of their sparkling lip toppers. The matte lip creams are pigmented, super buttery and smooth and easy to blend out. They give you that matte look without drying your lips out or making them crusty at all. The sparkling lip toppers are super cute. They're very sheer. They definitely are a topper. You can wear them by yourself if you want just like a hint of shine, a hint of sparkle, but they don't pack a ton of color. Again, they are lip toppers, so they go great on top of other lip shades, such as their lip creams. The mini eye trio, I received 2 shades. I have the shade Dazzle and the shade Twinkle. Dazzle is more of a goldy champagne and Twinkle is definitely an icy silver shade. Both of these sets come with a mini mascara. It's the Lash Out Loud mascara. I have done a more in-depth video on Profusion products, including the lip toppers, the lip creams, their eyeshadow palettes, and more. So if you'd like to check that out, I do have a video posted and I'll link it down below. So this tutorial is only going to be on the eyes and the lips since those are the products that they've sent to me. But I did want to note I'm using the Profusion Skin Perfector today. This is the shade Medium 3, which turns out to be a really great shade match for me. I'm going to prep my lids with some concealer and then let's move right into the eye look. I'm going to use mini nudes and mini rubies. These two were the most impressive when I was swatching, and I love warm tones and I love neutrals, so let's mix them. Also on my lips I have the sparkling lip topper in Yes. These are seriously going to be like the best to throw in your purse because they're tiny. Will I lose them? I don't know. Will my purse swallow them whole? Yes. First shade I'm going to go in with is Sizzle. I'm going to use my ColourPop E19 brush and I'm going to place this above the crease. I'm using stamping motions to get a precise application. I'm continuing to stamp this right above my crease, following its natural shape, so naturally I'm creating a like half circle kind of shape. I'm following my natural eye socket shape from inner corner to outer corner. Once my shape is placed down, I'm not taking any extra shadow on my brush. I'm just using what's on it right now. And I'm gonna start to gently blend out the corners by using really small circular motions, and I'm keeping them close together. That shade blended out so nicely, so quickly, and it was over an unset base, like an unset eyeshadow primer, which is a dang good sign. Going into the mini nudes palette, I'm gonna take the darkest shade right here, which is the shade Indulge. Still using my ColourPop brush, I'm gonna stamp the shade along the outer crease of the eye. Once I've got it stamped out on the outer corner, I'm just gonna take small circular motions and blend that shade out. With no extra shadow on the brush, I'm gonna start sweeping this into the inner corners of my eye. I'm taking a Morphe M506, going back into the shade Sizzle and blending out the corner of the shade Indulge. Now I'm going to take the shade Rogue right here from the Mini Rubies palette, and I'm going to layer this on top of Indulge. Then I'm going back in with Indulge and deepening that up again. I'm using makeup remover and a pointed Q-tip and carving out my crease. Then I'm going in with concealer and filling in the shape that I started. Once my crease is cut, then I go in with the dark brown shade, and I'm softening the corner of the cut crease, blending it so it all blends together. Then I'm taking the shade Flurry and I'm going to put that on the inner corner of my eye. I'm tapping this on the inner corner of the cut crease to set the base, and then only doing it on the inner, probably inner third of my eye. Then with a mixture of Ruby and Rose, I'm going to blend out the dark brown shade on the outer corner. I'm going to blend the red into the brown so that we get a nice gradient. And I'm using tapping motions for this. And I'm kind of angling this red so it's coming closer to the lash line than the outer corner. I'm using a Morphe M456 with that cream shade, and I'm blending out the corners of the red so that that'll blend. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm still using the ColourPop E19, going in with that dark brown shade and just taking that all across the lash line. Then I'm taking that burnt orange shade called Sizzle with my Morphe M506, and I'm blending out Indulge, which is the dark brown shade. Then I'm taking the Profusion waterproof eyeliner pencil in the shade Onyx, using that to tight line. I'm also going to be blending this out into my lower lash line and then smoking it out with a brush. I'm also lining my top lash line just on the very outer corner and smudging that out as well. Then I'm using the golden eye topper and I'm using a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just gonna get the product on this brush and tap it on my lid. That way I can kind of get a sprinkled out effect instead of applying it in one layer. I'm just like gently tapping it on to get like a scattered effect. I'm applying the bone colored shade from the neutrals palette just right in my inner corner. Then I'm applying the shade Icon in the inner corner as well. I'm gonna apply a quick layer of the Lash Out Loud mascara and some lashes, and I'll BRB. This is the finished eye look. I added a little bit of the lid topper right in the inner corner. I felt like it needed a little pizzazz. Moving on to lips now. My lips feel super moisturized and plumped from the lip topper that I just removed. I'm gonna line my lips real quick, and then I think I'm gonna head into the matte lip matte. So I just threw on the shade Ballet on top of a lip liner, and I think it is so pretty. Super comfortable, gorgeous color, and then I'm gonna throw on a lip topper. I'm gonna use the shade Finesse on top. I literally did like one swipe and I blended it out on my lips, and it's giving me such a pretty high shine without being sticky, without feeling heavy or uncomfortable at all. So this is the finished look, you guys. I'm really enjoying their holiday collection. I can't wait to play around with their other quads and see what fun looks I can come up with. I also really love the shades and the tones of their matte lip creams. I like that they're more cooler tone and more mauve-y. I think they're really pretty for every day too. I'm definitely obsessed with the Ruby palette. All these shades are everything. The Sizzle shade is the shizzle. I can definitely see anyone who's new to makeup like needing this palette. It's perfect. They all go together. It's not hard to figure out what colors go together because they're four and they're all the same tone. Really amazing quality, beautiful color stories. The blendability was just chef's kiss. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know down below which quad was your favorite, and let me know if you are gonna pick any up for yourself or for someone else as a gift or for yourself. And a big thank you to Profusion for sending me these products and working with me. Please hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you'd like to see my future videos. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!